Hello everyone, Sai Ram. Welcome back to the science class. We were studying lesson number 9, that is the human body, right? And this is part 4. In previous part, we had seen about external organs, what is organs, and about sense organs, right? So we will quickly revise what are the sense organs. Okay? How do you know what is happening around you? You come to know this by using your sense organs, right? So there are 5 sense organs. First one is eyes, then nose, then ears, then tongue and skin. And you all know how these sense organs are useful to us and useful for our body, right? Yes. First one is eye. Our eyes help us to see, right? Yes. Now identify this organ. Yes, this is a nose. Our nose help us to smell the thing, right? Smell can be good or bad. Okay? Then ear. We have 2 ears, right? So our ears help us to hear sounds, right? Our ears help us to hear different sounds. Yes, the next is tongue. Our tongue help us to taste, right? Our tongue help us to taste food. If the food is salty, sweet, then bitter, sour, who tells you that? Our tongue, right? Then next is skin. Our skin help us to feel. If anything is hot or cold, who tells you that? Our skin, right? So children, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and feeling are the 5 things that help you to know the world around you, right? They are called 5 senses. The 5 parts of your body that help you to know world around you, okay? And these are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are your 5 sense organs, right? Now, our body has various external organs as well as internal organs, or you can say external body parts and internal body parts, right? So the parts of your body that we can see, they are called external organs, right? But there are some parts of our body cannot be seen from outside. Such parts are called internal organs, right? So we'll see each part in detail. First we'll see the internal organs. Our body has heart, brain, lungs, stomach, liver and kidney inside our body, okay? Now we'll see each part in detail. So first is heart. Our heart is inside our chest, okay? Heart is present in the left side of our chest, okay? Now what does a heart do, okay? Or what its functions? It pumps the red color liquid called blood. It pumps the red color liquid called blood to all the body parts, right? Our heart pumps red color liquid that is called blood to all body parts. Yes. Can you see the picture of heart? Yes. We can also feel our heartbeat, right? For that, you have to put your hand on the left side of your chest. Okay? You will feel some sound like lub dub, lub dub. Everyone keep your hand on your left side. Are you feeling? Can you feel some sound like lub dub, lub dub? Yes, that is your heartbeat. Okay? So your heart is present in the left side of your chest. It pumps red color liquid called blood to all the body parts. The sound of heartbeat is lub dub. Yes. Next is brain. Okay? Now you touch your head. What can you feel? You will feel it is hard, right? That is your skull. It is a hard bone structure. Okay, our skull is a hard bone structure and our brain is present inside our skull. Okay, our skull protects the brain. Now, what does a brain do? What does a brain do? Or what are the functions of brain? Yes, it helps us to learn things. Our brain helps us to learn many things. Okay? Then our brain helps us to understand. Our brain helps us to understand many things. Then it helps us to remember things. Our brain helps us to remember things. Okay? Like our studies, alphabets, then tables. It helps us to remember things. Okay? It helps us to learn many things. It also controls our feelings and emotions. Okay? Emotion means we laugh. Yes, feelings and emotion means what? We laugh, we cry, right? So our brain controls our feelings and emotions. Then, yes, then our brain controls all the organs of our body. Okay? Our brain tells each part what to do by sending messages. Okay? Our brain gives messages to each part of our body. Yes. Our next internal organ is lungs. Okay? When we breathe in air with the help of our nose, our chest expand, right? And when we exhale the air from our nose, our chest contract. This is because of our lungs. Okay? This is a picture of our lungs. Our lungs are inside our chest. Okay? Our lungs are present inside our chest and it is protected by rib. Okay? By rib bones. It is like a cage. So, when we breathe air, air goes to our lungs. It absorbs the oxygen from air and release the carbon dioxide back throughout the nose. Okay? Our lungs absorb the oxygen from air and release the carbon dioxide. Then our lungs supply oxygen to all parts of our body through blood. Okay? This is about lungs. And this is a picture of a lungs which are present inside our chest. Now, next is stomach. Okay? Yes, this is a picture of a stomach. Yes, all the food that we eat goes to the stomach, right? All the food that we eat goes to stomach. Our stomach store the food that we have eaten, right? Then stomach breaks down the food into a liquidy mixture. Okay, this you will learn in your digestive system also. Okay, see, stomach is a thick bag made up of muscles. All the food that we eat goes to stomach. Our stomach store the food that we have eaten, and then stomach breaks down the food into a liquidy mixture. This is the function of a stomach. Yes, this is a picture of a stomach. Yes, can you see this? This is a picture of a stomach. Okay. Our stomach is located below chest. Okay, our stomach is located below our chest. Yes, next is kidney. Okay, this is the picture of a kidney. Yes, we have two bean shaped organs called kidneys. Okay, next is kidney, and we have two bean shaped organs are called kidneys. Kidneys help us in purification of blood. Okay, our kidneys clean up the blood and throw waste out of the body in the form of urine. Okay, our kidneys clean up the blood and throw waste out of the body in the form of urine. See in the picture, they are in pair, right? We have two kidneys in our body. Kidney help us in purification of blood. So children, we have learned external organ, then sense organs, then internal organs, right? So these organs work in a group, means external organs, internal organs and sense organs work in a group. The group of organs working together to do an important job is called an organ system. Okay, this is called an organ system. So there are several organ systems present in our body. Okay, there are several organ systems in our body which help you to stay alive and to do various things. Which help us to do various things. Okay, and they are the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, then the excretory system, and the reproductive system, and the nervous system. Okay, these are the organ system. These are the 8 organ systems present in our body. Okay, which work together to keep us alive. We will see each organ system in detail. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.